So recolor list. Now what I am going to do, create a list, and this index I got. Now if I want to access yellow, okay, this is a positive index. Okay, start 0, start to right. Now negative index starts from right to left, which is -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4. So if I print color list of -1, I should get, okay, negative index, color list of -1. Format, good question. See, format, there are two ways of printing. Number one, regularly I have to print like this, C1 equal to, comma, C1, this you know. So print, okay, C2 equal to, comma, C2. I give the same, get the same result. Here I am using two different lines, 1, 2, okay, to print two different values. Another way of printing is, second way of printing, print C1 equal to, comma, C1. And if I say and, again put a comma and then say and, comma, C2. So second way of printing. See, this is second way. Third way of printing, print C1 equal to, the string. See, this is something, whatever I'm closing is in a double quote is a string. String object has got a method called format. C dot format. It will take some parameters, see, arguments. So I will say C1. Now what is happening is print star. What is happening here is C1 whose value needs to be printed. I don't just need C1. I want a C1 ka value, whether it is red or blue. That's what I wanted. So C1 equal. But I'm printing. I need to pass. This is the syntax. String dot format of value. So okay, value means the variable in which value occurs. So now here I have to give a placeholder. With format, you have to give a placeholder. That means C1 is equal to, in this portion, this value of variable will be printed. So C1 may, what is there I have? C1 may color list of 0, which is red. So red will be printed. See that. Now if I give C2 here, so here C2 may, whatever is there, that will be printed. I think blue. So we will get blue like this. C2 is blue. Now I want both C1 and C2. So with only one single line, you can print C1 equal to this one and C2 equal to this one. So here C1, C2. So C1, the first argument gets supplied here and second argument gets supplied here. Within the string, okay, it will be printed. So the difference comes, see, C1, C2. So I can print it this way also. Print, such as C1 equal to 10 and C2 equal to 20. Okay, I can print, but every time it will be C1 equal to 10, C2 equal to 20 here. But that's not what I wanted. The value, exact value. If I change here from red to gray, okay. Now C1 ke jagah pe you will get gray. See, gray. But here it is not changed. That means even though this is given within a string, double quotes, it is not hard coded. Its value of this variable is given based on the value of the variable that is in the format. So here, so that is the power of format. Format we use most of the times in real time. Format is a great way. C1, C2. So if I want C3 also, No problem. I can do it this way. Let's say C3 equal to, I have to add this. If I don't add, what happens? C1 ka value gets replaced here. C2 will sit here, but C3, I have the placeholder, but I didn't give the value. So value cannot be displayed. So it will say tuple index out of range. Why? Because it will say tuple index out of range, because this is considered as a tuple. I'm expecting 3 values, but I put only 2 values. It is like you worked for 3 months, but you got only 2 months salary. So what will you do? You will ask for next month's salary also, third month's salary. Okay, like that, C3. So, but what is C3 here? C3, we have to get the C3. Okay, without getting C3, let us see. Now also it's giving name error, name C3 not defined. Why? Because you are using C3, but what is that C3? Okay, you are using it, but C3 should have some value. What is that C3? C3 itself is not defined. Equal to color list of, maybe you can say 2. I can say 2, I'll say 3. Yep, that is the power. So real time is really important. String dot format. So this one we are doing. So slicing and positive negative is what we have to do. So here slicing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So slicing means it's like colon से पहले colon के बाद. That means colon is the symbol. So here you say actually my list of 0 से लेके 4 तक. So 0, 1, 2, 3, but I don't have 4 for a NG. So 0 से लेके 4 तक. I'll simply say R1 result. So let's say, so you get red, blue, green. But I want 0 से लेके 3 तक. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 0, 1, 2 only I'm getting. It means target colon से पहले, this is source, colon के बाद, this is target. Source from source go till 3 means 3 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third value is yellow, but 3 minus 1 tak you have to print this. Okay, I'll give you my list of 0, 0, colon 2. Now what gets printed? Now 0 to 2. One is 0, 1, 2. 2 means till here. Okay, before that. Red, the blue. Okay. I will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will give 10, which is not there. So 0 से लेके 10 तक. I'll give 20. What is wrong in it? No problem. So will it give me an error or will it print whatever it has? It won't give an error. It will print maximum. I asked you 10 cages, but you have only 4 cages in your list. Okay, what will you say? I will give you 4 cages only because I have only that much. Okay, so that is how it operations. Okay, string list slicing operations, slicing. Now negative slicing. So negative slicing means reverse direction. See, -1, -2, -3, -4. So -5 से लेके -1 तक. -1. Now you see what happens. I'll just say print directly. See red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Always index में से one position